Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are starting our seventh lesson. Which will be our final HTML project. So since we have covered most of the basic HTML elements, this lesson will bring up everything together in one simple project. So after this, we will move on to our CSS course. So if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe the channel so you don't miss the upcoming lessons. So before doing our project, let's go on a quick recap. So let's quickly revise what we have learned so far. In lesson 1, we practiced the basic HTML elements. We learned here, I have named it as practice. I'll rename it to lesson 1. Okay. So lesson 1, we learned the title. We learned how to create a title using the title tag. We learned H1 to H6 tag as well through the trip exercise. With that, we learned the italic, bold, paragraph, underline, break tag, and bold tag. In the lesson 2, I'll close the trip. Lesson 2, we learned a button, how to add a button to our web page. So we did some exercise for that as well. We learned how to add images and we learned the anchor tag. Next, lesson 3. So lesson 3, we learned the div tag, right? We learned the div tag. We learned the input field and how to add a placeholder inside the input field. We learned the ordered list and unordered list. We learned how to add list inside a web page. Next, lesson 4. Lesson 4, we learned how to add forms to our web page. And we learned how to add tables, right? We learned how to add tables, forms. We learned a checkbox, radio buttons. We learned those as well. Next, lesson 5, we learned how to add audio and video into our web page. And we learned the semantic tags as well. So we learned 4 semantic tags. Can you all remember? The header, the main, the nav, and the footer. Next, lesson 6. That is the last video I upload. And lesson 6, we learned how to comment. We learned this. We learned how to comment. And then what did we learn? We learned the text. We learned the text area. And we learned how to add the text area inside a form. We have covered the basic HTML tags. So now, based on this, we are ready to start our final project. So for our final project, we are going to create a simple portfolio website, right? We are going to create a simple portfolio website. So this is how it will look. This is here is how it will look. So we will start from the section My Portfolio and then we will continue coding. Welcome. This is my simple portfolio website. Then we will include a dummy photo. So you all can include a dummy photo by downloading a photo. I'll show you all step by step. Then we will add about me section. So in this section, you can include your personal details like name. I'm learning HTML and web development. And you can replace here your name. Here I have given the name as John. Here you can replace it with your own name. Next, skills. Here you can add the skills, whatever skills you have, you can add here. You can add CSS later, whatever skills you have, you can add it here. And next, projects. Here you all have personal profile page. A simple form page table. Here I have added few projects, right? And then contact. Here you have to add your contact details. So here the email, you all can add your email, then the telephone, and here I have given a footer. So this is a simple project using only HTML. So after we complete the CSS course, we will build a much advanced, more than this, advanced and beautiful by using colors, colors, and by styling it. Styling, we will develop a beautiful web page, and we can update this as well. Right, let's start coding. For that, let's open a file. So by now you all have to know how to open a file. So by clicking this, I will name it as project.html. Although this is a 7th lesson, we are doing a project, so let's name it as project. Okay, now I'll close this, and now let's generate this structure. Right now you all have to know how to generate the structure. By pressing the exclamation mark, you all can click enter, and then you all can get the structure. Right, let's open this web page in our browser.
So now I'll keep the screen like this so it's easy to compare our results. And now I'm going to change the title. So I'm going to change the title to my portfolio. So let's start coding. By first we will change the title.
Okay. I think P is capital. Yeah, P is capital. And again, y'all may have to make sure that the auto save is clicked right. Okay, there should be a tick. Wait. So there should be a tick button in front of this auto save. If so, it can y'all can just refresh. If not, you'll have to save it manually and refresh. Okay. Next, y'all can see we have to we'll sectionize. Right, we'll section it using the semantic tags. So let's section this web page before coding the remaining parts. So this part, you can see my portfolio. We have a, this is the website title. And here there is a small short introduction. And there is a, if there is a logo or image, then usually this is also belonging to this, right? This part also belongs to the header. So because of that, this part is the header, right? This part is the header. Because this it, this part belongs to header because this contains the introduction of the portfolio website. So it is starting a section that gives the overview of the page, right? Now next part is about me. You can scroll. Next one is the main section. So we will add this whole thing. So I'll erase what's coming inside the header, right? For the moment, I'll erase it. And let's scroll. Now here, this part, let's I want to explain this part. Now about me too, y'all can see contact till here. We will add this inside the main section. So till here, till the phone number, we will add this inside the main section. So this is the main content area of our web page. And inside the main tag, we will add something called section. So something called section. So this is a new word. So we will open a main tag. And inside that, we will add something called section. So section, you all are studying it right now. So this is something new for you guys because I haven't introduced this in my previous lesson. So what is section? Section is used to group related contents together. That means if the content belong to the same topic, we put it inside one section, right? Now for example, see about this, about me, name, this belongs to one section, right? This has all the related contents. So we put this inside this section, we code it, we close that section, right? We close that section. And then we open another section for this skills. Now all the related things for skills, we open as one section, we code these and again close the section. Again we open another section for project, we code these and we close. Next we open another section for contact, we code these and we close. And finally, the main is closed. After coding those, we close the main. So, in between the main only the section comes. Right? All these are separate topics. You can see about me, skill, project, contact. These are separate topics. So, we organize them using different sections. So these are main content, but these are different section. These topics are not related. These are belong to different section. That's what we open. We will open a section at this close. We will open another section. Likewise, we will open 4 sections. So when we open this section, we will close it and open another section. And then at the end, we will use a footer, which is for the bottom part of our page. At 2026, my portfolio, all rights reserved. So by using sections, we are going to group the related contents together and make our web page clean, structured and easy to understand. Right. With that, let's start coding. Right. Now I'll keep this like this so it's easy. Okay. Now let's start coding. So first what we are going to add the header. We are going to first code the header section, right? Okay. With that let's start coding. So let's add header. And what are we going to add inside header? We are going to add my portfolio. So I will use H1, the heading tag, and let's see, if not, we can change it to H2. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, see the font is same. So I'm going to leave it as H1. Next, we have to give a paragraph tag for this sentence. Welcome, this is my portfolio website. Okay, let's give a paragraph. So what you all can do is you all can take a screenshot of this. You all can take a screenshot of this and pause the video and code it by yourself and then check the video. Okay, we are done coding with okay, I have coded the sentence. Let's refresh. Okay, now to take this dummy image, what we can do is go to your, to get this dummy image, you all can go to your web browser.
So go to your web browser and type blank dummy profile picture. From that I have choose this. So you all don't need to choose exactly what I have selected. You all can choose something similar to that, and then we will save this. Now you all, right now you all know how to do that. So I couldn't get the same picture which I showed before. So I'm taking something similar. So you all can find these type of pictures by typing blank dummy profile image. Next we need to download this image and save it, and then we can add it to our web page.
Right click on the image and put save the image as, and then go to desktop, go to the select the folder, and inside the folder you all can remember we created for images, audio, video to separate it, right? So inside image I will add profile. Let's just add profile. Okay, next I will add this. Next let's check whether we have the access for the image. So you all can go to VS Code. Inside the images, you all should be able to see the image. Right, I can see it. Next let's type the image. Let's code it, image source, and then type the folder name. Since it's now here the image is stored inside the folder, so I need to type the folder name, and then from here I can choose the image, and let's check the results. Okay, you can see it is very huge, right? You all can adjust it. You all can type here width and at 200. Let's see with 200. Refresh. Okay, I guess 200 is perfect, but I'll go with 180 just to check. So I feel it's bit large. Okay, I feel like 180 is perfect. Okay, I couldn't find the exact same picture, but this is somewhat similar. Now we are done with header. Now we will move on to the next part. That is the main section. And inside main, I told you all we will open something called section. So section is used to group the similar contents, right? So let's open main. So we can leave a line. Oh wait. So here I'll leave a line, and okay, I'll leave a line. Okay, main. So inside main, I will open one section. Okay, I will open one section to code about me, and then I will close that section and open another one. So we are going to code this part. Wait, I'll show you all. We are going to code this part. So I will open one section inside the main to code this part. Okay, let's start coding. So inside main, I will open section. So section has a opening and a closing tag, right? It is a heading, but it is small. It has the font size is smaller than my portfolio. So I will use H2 and let's check it. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. And next, I will use here a paragraph tag for name John. Go to the next line. P. Name. You all can add your name. I will add here the name I have given for this web page. Okay, next is I am learning HTML web development. I will use another paragraph tag for that. Okay, let's refresh and check the results. You all can see I have got the same results. Next is skills. Skills. So now here, you all wait. I'll show you all. I need to show this one. Now about me. This belong to one section. We are done coding it. Now skills. This is another. This HTML. This is another section. So we will open another section inside the main. So here, now I have closed this section. So I will open another section for skills. So this is happen, whatever I'm coding this section, I'm coding it inside the main, right? I'm coding it inside the main tag, between the main opening and closing tag. Next is skills, right? Skills. It is a H2 tag. I will use again a H2 tag because it has the same font as about me. And next, let's see. Now you all can see here, is it a ordered list or an unordered list? It's a unordered list. So I will type UL. So inside UL, I will open 3 li tag, right? Since there are 3 bullets. So inside the li tag, I will write HTML basics, close it, and then open another one. Next is tables. And the other one, forms. Right. Now let's refresh. Okay, next one, I will open another section for project. I told you all previously, we will open 4 sections. So we are done with 2. So the next one for project, right? So we need another, again H2 to name the heading projects. We'll give the heading as projects. Okay. Next, we will use here ordered list, since this is given in order. So we will open OL and again LI. There will be 3 LI, one for personal profile image, sorry, personal profile page. We will add it and then close the LI and open another. So let's start. Next one, simple form page. Here you all can add the projects. If you all have done any projects, anything, you all can add those as well. Table, timetable. Okay, with that we are done with the other section. Let's refresh. Okay, you are here. You can scroll now. Next, finally, we are going to code contact. Right, let's open another section so you can see I am closing this section and then only opening another one. Here I have closed this and open another section for project. That's how it has to be coded. And I will give a H2 as contact. Contact. Okay. And then I will give a P. Paragraph tag for, let's refresh. Okay. A paragraph tag for email and phone. So 2 paragraph tags, right? Email. So if you're going to get an email from a user, what you all should use? You all should use an input field, right? Here we are not going to get an email from a person. Here you can include your own email address. And you all can add your contact phone number. So I'm just randomly adding a number, right? It's just a number. Okay, with that we are done with the main section. Now we will code the footer part, right? Let's code the footer. So footer, here there is a copyright mark. So what you all can do is go to your web browser, right? Type copyright symbol and you can copy and paste, or previously we have coded a copyright symbol. You can copy that as well, right? So I will go to the first link and I will copy this. And what does it say in the 2026 copyright? I will paste it, right? 2026 my portfolio, all rights reserved. Okay, done. Let's check for the results. No, cannot see. Okay, here. Okay, this is our results. You can see. It is exactly the same. Sometimes you all might be wondering, here there is more space in between the paragraph and the image. That is because this image, there is a background, if you all can see. So if you all want to give more space, yeah, you all can by adding break tags. You all can add here break tag. Let's add one and check. Yeah, if you all want, I can add another break tag as well. Okay, actually here the image, in the image it said there is a background, a light off-white background. That's the thing. Here we didn't had a background likewise. So anyway, I have given two break tag here as well, right? So we have got the exact same results. That's it. We have created, so I'll take this. Okay. That's it. We have created a simple HTML project. You can see. I will continue adding more exercises in HTML and we will do more projects and more exercises, and soon we will start our CSS course as well. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't miss any upcoming lessons. I hope this course was helpful for you, and if you found it useful, please share it with your friends who are also learning HTML, who would love to learn HTML. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next lesson.